Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the film frame effect for your videos in the ShotCut apps. So in here, what you need to do is prepare your clips or photos that you want to edit like this, and go straight to effects. And to find the film frame effect, you can just swipe through the category in here and then just select the VHS category, this one. And here, if you scroll down, you'll easily spot the film frame effect. So click on that effect. Now the frame will be applied to all of your edits. Click on the check icon. Here, just drag it like this if there's a part that doesn't have the film frame effect, and you are done. This will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.